What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay to the yeah. So check this out. I'm sitting here on the YouTube. I'm watching the new videos. Came across, I think it was a Glorilla video, and I'm listening to the beat. The song is hot. The song is hot. It's fire. It's fire. But one thing I noticed, man, I'm like, there is no creativity in these beats. They crazy simple. So I said, I know I can do a beat just as simple. If y'all don't know what I'm talking about, I'm fixing to show you what I'm talking about when I say how stupid simple these beats are and these people are getting placements. It kind of goes to show that a lot of time it's not necessarily how good you are, it's who you know. You know what I'm saying? This is the kind of beat that you hear on the radio. Most producers be trying to do all that complicated stuff. You don't ever hear no complicated stuff on the radio. This is all the beats that you hear on the radio. It's crazy. Find a simple 808, simple clap, simple hi-hat, and then you can find, I mean, shit, anything else at that point. So now I'm looking for some super sound. I just kind of look at the same old stuff. You know what I'm talking about? I know I can use that for something right there. I can use that for something right there. And I'm going to prove it to you. So let's see what we're going to do. We don't need that. Let's delete that channel. Let's go ahead and add 4. And then let's just do it in song mode. No, we can do it we can keep it in beat mode. I mean, it's so stupid simple. So basically, when you be listening to a song, this is the type of stuff that be out there. Let's do 64. We're gonna do, let's see, let's do a hi-hat. We got the hi-hat. Put the clap in there, simple claps. Hey. It just be simple stuff. Then we'll come and add a melody, a stupid simple melody, cause this is all the kind of, I literally heard a beat. I'm just gonna play it for you. I'm just gonna play it. I'm not gonna talk to you to death about it. We just gonna play how simple a beat you be hearing. You just gotta find the right sounds. And let's see. What, oh man, what is that? What did I hear? What did I hear? What did I hear? No, you don't even be hearing no pads. You don't even be hearing no pads. Oh, I know what I want. I know what I want to play. Oh, I think I found it. I just found it. I just found it. It be something. Okay, we're gonna do a stupid flute. Where is a stupid flute? I just saw it. Hey. Hey. Where did this shit go to? Marimba. We're gonna find cello. We'll just use that. I'm just gonna make up something stupid. Okay, you see that? That sounds stupid. Then you just come back through it. That's all the beats be. That's all they be. We need to cut that though. We do need to cut that. Oh, we need to cut. That's all them stupid ass simple beats be. They be like, I become Ron the Grain. Stupid. Flexing on these fools. Cupid. Oh, I mean they be in beat though. Fuck that in. Let's fix that. Let's change it up. Let's make it sound a little better. Simple as that. Why does that keep doing I mean, come on now. I like that one better. Let's start that over. Simple as that. Here we go. We got a hit right here. Ooh. Ooh. We gotta fix that though, cuz. We gotta fix that. Ain't no lie, we gotta fix that. Oh, what's going on with that? Don't like that though. Let's do it again. Simple as that. We got a hit. I be don't weak, don't cry. Everybody leave me behind. Everybody rain or shine. Ay, 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 ay. I don't know, man. I don't know. What y'all think?